The Tesla dog robot project has been building excitement for quite some time, and Elon Musk has at last confirmed on X that Tesla dog is now going through real-world testing at Giga Texas. Engineers there are giving it a long checklist of helpful tasks right after working with Optimus. Together with the humanoid Optimus robot, Tesla is preparing to release a four-legged companion machine that packs several clever abilities, including a way to deter vandals and attackers who have singled out Tesla stores because they dislike Musk. Even though the product is not officially launched, leaked demonstrations show the Tesla dog already showing off at least half a dozen impressive abilities, far more than most people expected. If Tesla begins selling this robotic dog, many owners will likely trust it to make their homes incredibly secure. Welcome to AMP Drive. We are a friendly, growing community that follows every new step in Tesla technology, robotics, and the future of clean transport. We are still a small channel with fewer than 1,000 wonderful subscribers, so if you enjoy learning about innovations like the Tesla dog, please tap that subscribe button now. Your support means everything to us. All right, let us dive back into the details. Of course, Tesla is not the first company to attempt a robotic dog. Firms such as Boston Dynamics with their Spot platform and Unitree with their Go2 have already placed similar machines in factories and research labs. So Elon is not merely trying to keep up creating. The Tesla dog is a required part of his wider vision. The timing is no accident either. In recent months, Tesla showrooms have faced a wave of vandalism, and several Tesla cars have been set on fire. By Musk's estimate, a fully built Tesla dog may cost only about 1/4 as much as Optimus because the canine version needs far fewer components. Musk once stated that the humanoid Optimus would sell for roughly $20,000 to $30,000 United States dollars. Using that ratio, the dog robot could end up around $5,000, a price low enough for everyday consumers. So what makes the Tesla dog special, and how did the team put it together? Back in May, Musk reaffirmed his plan to stay with Tesla for at least another 5 years, which suggests that criticism against the company will not disappear anytime soon. Last month's public disagreements between Musk and Donald Trump only stirred the pot further. Believe it or not, the Tesla dog concept has existed since Elon first mapped out Optimus. At that time, Boston Dynamics dominated headlines with its Spot dog, designed to handle everything from construction inspections to search and rescue missions. Rather than copy that, Tesla focused on Optimus first. Musk believed that if engineers could master a humanoid platform, adapting the same knowledge to a dog robot would be far simpler. In other words, shifting technology from a human-shaped robot to a canine frame is easier than the reverse. Consequently, the Tesla dog will inherit nearly all the drive components, battery chemistry, joints, sensing hardware, and artificial intelligence stack already proven in Optimus, but configured in a leaner pin-curd package. To slash production costs, Tesla reused much of the engineering learned from its electric vehicles while developing Optimus, and now that same trickle-down path continues from Optimus to the Tesla dog. Everything from battery modules and high-efficiency motors to gear trains, power electronics, and the Dojo accelerated inference computer finds a new home here. Musk's target is a robot dog that blends intelligence, agility, and affordability. We said $5,000 earlier. That is extremely competitive when you compare it to Boston Dynamics Spot or Unitree Go2. Boston Dynamics lists Spot for roughly $74,500. Despite its proven skill in plant inspections and remote exploration, Spot still faces key drawbacks: limited battery life, a very high purchase price, and only moderate performance on truly autonomous cane tasks. Unitree's Go2 can wave, hop, or flip, but its real-world interaction remains restricted. It cannot simply wake itself, patrol an area, or keep watch without a human nearby. Against that backdrop, the Tesla dog's value proposition looks strong. Visually, Tesla dog follows Tesla's familiar minimalist philosophy. Instead of bulky exposed mechanisms, its shape is clean and polished, helping keep weight down and letting the robot move smoothly in homes, shops, or tight industrial corners. According to internal notes, the machine measures about 40 inches long, 19.2 inches wide, and 25 inches tall while walking. By comparison, Boston Dynamics Spot is roughly 43.3 inches long, 19.7 inches wide, and 24 inches high, making the Tesla version just a touch shorter on edge when ducking under obstacles or squeezing through narrow aisles. Sources within the engineering team say Musk personally asked that overall mass be trimmed from 90 pounds to about 65 pounds, battery included. He wanted an ideal blend of nimbleness and stability on uneven ground, especially inside Tesla showrooms. Being lighter allows faster moves, though the robot still needs enough heft to stay balanced while climbing ramps or dodging clutter. Tesla Dog will be offered in two colorways, black or white, mirroring the Optimus palette, with a tough aluminum frame nested beneath a molded composite shell. That recipe keeps the structure rigid, protects vital internals, and speeds up large-scale production. Unlike competitors that look a bit alien, Tesla Dog includes a head vaguely shaped like a friendly animal. Unitree's Go-To Sports, a rather odd-shaped face, and Boston Dynamics Spot lacks a head altogether. By adding a recognizable front, Tesla hopes families, especially children, will see the machine as approachable rather than eerie. Performance-wise, many observers felt Optimus moved somewhat slowly, topping out near 1.2 meters each second, partly because it weighed about 138 pounds. Tesla Dog, lighter and purpose-built, shows better mobility. Compact, fully integrated actuators at each joint power fluid gates, rapid direction changes, and confident obstacle traversal. Engineers say top speed reaches 1.8 meters per second, edging past Unitree's 1.5 and Boston Dynamics' 1.6. For vision, Tesla Dog carries a high-resolution two-dimensional camera that grants a complete 360-degree field and sees nearly 20 feet. The array maps surroundings precisely and works in dim light. Full-body sensing modules watch for objects, prevent collisions, and help the robot keep safe distances. A standout addition is thermal imaging that registers heat signatures of humans or animals even in total darkness, critical because most break-ins at Tesla stores occur late at night. When combined with microphones and a speaker, the system hears unusual sounds, such as alarms, glass breaking, or muffled voices, and can immediately ping security staff. The enclosure meets an IP60 dust protection rating and tolerates temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. A 1.2 kilowatt-hour battery inside supports roughly 6 to 8 hours of continuous duty, a massive advance over Spot's 2-hour window. Like Optimus, the Dog links to a wireless dock for hands-free charging. The robot's brain relies on the same deep learning models Tesla trains with Dojo. After reviewing thousands of real-world images, it maps terrain, identifies faces, and even notes potentially dangerous tools an intruder might wield. If someone approaches restricted storage in a showroom, Tesla Dog logs the event, shoots live footage to the cloud, and sounds an alert. Because most of its codebase is shared with Autopilot and Optimus, improvements roll out quickly. Many of these abilities sound striking, yet they remain unofficial leaks from employees. Vital hardware could change before the planned public debut next year. Throughout 2025, Tesla's priority stays fixed on Optimus, aiming to ship about 5,000 humanoid units just as Musk promised. Still, curiosity about the Dog grows every week. Speaking of Optimus, interest in that platform has also surged. The humanoid bot can reportedly learn up to 100 fresh tasks each day by watching instructional videos online. From sweeping a floor or unloading a dishwasher to operating machinery or even making a sunny side-up egg, Optimus refines new skills in minutes or hours rather than weeks. Most remarkably, once one Optimus masters a technique, it syncs that data to a central network, so every other Optimus worldwide instantly inherits the same knowledge. Imagine an Optimus in Fremont that figures out a new battery cell stacking maneuver, and seconds later, an Optimus in Berlin mirrors the act perfectly. Multiply that across 1,000 robots, each adding one unique routine per day, and the shared library balloons rapidly. Economists already estimate that swapping even 10% of Tesla's own workforce with Optimus might trim labor expenses by roughly $2.5 billion. Financial models value a single robot's lifetime productivity at about $200,000. Musk projects an eventual retail tag between $20,000 and $30,000 once volume hits 1 million units per year. Early batches shipping in 2026 may cost more room or places the figure at $40,000 to $50,000 until supply lines stabilize. Tesla also intends to rent Optimus for roughly $400 monthly so businesses can test the capabilities before purchasing. Naturally, such freeloading power raises safety questions. What if a unit studies a dangerous tutorial? Tesla says enhanced filters will block videos showing weapon use or violence. Access may also be limited to verified YouTube channels or Tesla-approved materials. Putting it all together, the Tesla dog and Optimus form a compelling duo. The dog delivers agile, affordable security, while the humanoid tackles diverse household and industrial chores. Both ride on Tesla's powerful hardware, years of autonomous driving data, and the massive computing muscle of Dojo. Will you bring either one home once orders open? Let us know your thoughts below, share the video with friends, and if you have not already, remember to subscribe to Amp Drive so you will not miss the next big update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, goodbye!